Today, I want to talk to you about 5 reasons you should start a garden in 2025. So, if you've been thinking about starting a garden, this is your sign to finally do it. Okay, so the number one reason you need to start a garden this year is to save money. We all know groceries are not getting any cheaper, prices just keep going up. So, definitely starting a garden now will save you money. Yes, it does cost a little bit of money to get started, but over the years, you will make that money back tenfold, so much more. So, just start with the basics, and I'm here to help you with that. I have grow guides on my website. I have a beginner gardener ebook that you can get for free. I will link that in the pinned comment. And we have so much more coming to you for free in the future as well. The second reason you need to start a garden this year is for mental health. There are scientific studies that show that gardening actually improves your mental health. So whether you struggle with just some seasonal depression or other more serious mental health issues, it's just good for your spirit, for your soul, for your body to connect with nature and dig around in the dirt. It's just good for you. And the third reason kind of goes along with that, but the third reason is to get you some vitamin D. All of my doctors have always told me that we Americans have a serious deficiency of vitamin D because we just aren't in the sun enough to soak up all of that glorious vitamin D that we need. So being out in the garden, it's just good to soak up those rays and get you some vitamin D. And then a fourth reason that you need to start a garden this year is for exercise. We all can become very guilty of getting stuck behind a keyboard all day long. The lifestyles that we live these days are just not healthy. And they say sitting at a desk is now the new smoking because it's causing more chronic health issues than smoking was, previously. So definitely getting outside, getting some exercise, having something to nurture out there gives you a reason to get out there and go. Got it. So it's just good to get out there and get you some exercise in that way. And then your fifth reason to start a garden this year is to have something to nurture. This is one that was very close to my heart because I restarted gardening in 2019 as my youngest boys were entering high school and really didn't need me around as much. So my garden became my place to devote my extra affection and attention and not become a helicopter parent, as my kids sometimes accused me of. So, if you need something to nurture, a garden is definitely the way to go. And then I actually have a bonus one for you guys. And actually, I think I have 2 bonus ones because I forgot to list one other thing. Obviously, one of those things is for the health benefits of growing your own food. That one is obvious. I think everybody knows that it's just um, good for your health to know where your food comes from and to grow organically and to know that your food is not covered in pesticides or other chemicals, right? But let's talk about that sixth one, your bonus reason, and that is in case the zombie apocalypse were to happen. Or any type of survival situation. I mean, really, we have to face it that we are living in the type of days where so many different things can happen. EMP attacks or something, the grid can go down. We've already experienced food shortages during COVID and supply issues and things like that. So it's just good to learn how to grow at least a few things that your family likes that could help you get by if we ever got into a situation where we couldn't get to the grocery store or get the food that we need. Having healthy, fresh produce right in your own backyard is the best way to go so that you can ensure the health of your family. So let me know what you think of those reasons to start a garden this year. If you are new to gardening, comment and let me know. I would be happy to help you on your journey. If you already have a garden, tell me all about it. I want to hear about it. And I would love to discuss with you what you're going to grow this year and if there's anything new that you're going to try. I can't wait for the day. One of these days, YouTube is going to allow viewers to share photos in their comments. I cannot wait for that day because I want you guys to be able to show me pictures of your garden and everything. So right now, I do want to ask, I'm collecting pictures of awesome gardens, whether that be flower gardens or greenhouses or vegetable gardens or anything. So if you would like your photos to be featured in an upcoming video, you can send your photos to me at shayla@secondmilejourney.com. And in the subject line, just put photos. And then in your message, tell me what the photos are of, and I will include them in an upcoming video so that we can all get some great inspiration from one another as we prepare for the spring gardening season. Remember to go the second mile today for someone in your life and with your resources. See you next time.